What's up, guys? Welcome back to 5W Tech. We're doing something different again today. We've only done this once in our entire video scheme of videos where we go to PC Part Picker and we pick apart your PC build. I can't say those words too quickly because it'll sound like verbal diarrhea coming out of my mouth. So we're gonna call it pick apart your PC
Pick
Part
apart your
Picker.
PC part picker. Dun, dun,
Dun,
dun.
dun, dun. So basically, it is exactly what it is. We're just randomly going to pick out some guides. I mean, we're on the website for PC Part Picker. We haven't done any specific change. We haven't added any filters. We're just randomly going to pick a couple of builds, go into it, take a look at what the build is, how it was done, cable management, this and that, the whole whatever, and we'll just have a good
The whole
laugh.
kitten, the whole kitten
The
caboodle.
whole kit
Caboodle.
and caboodle. You got it. Roberto, you can see my screen.
Yes, let's talk about that. My old CPU, the
Yeah.
7820X.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
Oh yes.
how the filter on this is what? Why is this thing? It can't be $4,000. The Godzilla 1.0.
I don't know, but I'm clicking on it. Here we go.
All right, go ahead.
Yes, yes, Godzilla. So,
Built
uh,
in 2018. Okay,
yes.
2018 is fine.
Well,
2018 was fine, but this CPU. Okay, so Haswell E. What the hell am I? What is this? No,
hold on a
no,
second.
no. I what? No, it's a joke, right?
Holy crap.
No, I can't. I see Mecha Godzilla on the left there, but
Hold.
there's a mecha mess going on inside this PC. Oh my God.
Okay.
No, I can't.
This
Second
is.
picture. Second picture.
Holy shit. Second.
Oh,
There's a there's a
this case,
disk
this is a
drive.
Blu-ray drive. This case is awful. Okay, so it was built in 2018, but it's still not an excuse for.
Yeah, let's look at the parts. So i7 7820X. This is the
Look at the guy's
Extreme Edition stuff, right?
look at the guy's comment. If you
Yeah.
look closely, you might even spot a
Yeah.
whole PC somewhere inside a mess of cables. Hey, would you like a PC with your cables, sir? This is awful. This is absolutely awful. I feel bad for. Well, oh man, it's
Look, it's
bad.
not a bad system if it's
Well,
working.
okay. Well, Haswell E was quite a disappointment due to the architecture with going
That's
away
not
from ring
Haswell. This
bus.
this is this was Skylake.
Was this Haswell E or Skylake E? Okay, Skylake
7820.
E,
This is
correct.
Skylake,
This
man.
was yeah. This was Skylake E. Architecture went from
Yeah,
ring bus to mesh
that's right.
architecture,
The mesh, the
sort of like how Infinity Cache
Infinity
works
Cache.
on
Yeah,
Ryzen,
yeah.
except AMD completely overramped and made the communication between the cores
Yeah.
much quicker and better. But Skylake E had a problem when it came to games
Yeah.
because of that mesh architecture. I remember
Yeah.
mine was clocked at 4.8 gigahertz.
Yeah.
It was binned.
Slower than a mainstream processor at a lower speed,
It
probably.
was yeah.
All
It
right, let's
was
not get into the nitty gritty of old tech, but it was an 8-core
yeah.
16 thread processor, base
Yes,
clock of
yes,
3.6. They were cool. We got them because you could run quad channel memory. It was just cooler to
yes.
have memory on both sides of the CPU. They looked cool. They just sucked for
Yeah,
what we were doing, mainly gaming.
yeah.
Cooler master, liquid cooler. I think that's like a 120 cooler. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
you, you,
No, you need cooling
you,
on that.
you need more. It's not gonna
Yeah,
cool these things. Things were hot mofos.
absolutely.
I remember.
Strix X299 e-gaming ATX board.
Yes.
That's
Decent.
fine. That's fine. They all looked good. They were all good quality boards. Nothing wrong with the boards. He's got a lot of drives, so I'm sure he's doing maybe. I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know if this is a gaming build, but
Uh,
yeah, video editing and
those
gaming build. Okay, so it
those
serves its
those those
purpose.
those drives have been completely eaten by the
Yeah,
cables.
yeah, yeah. They're gone. Zotac GeForce. Zotac.
So
1080 Ti Amp Extreme. You had one of these, didn't you? You had a Zotac 1080 Ti.
a 980
Your
Ti.
980 Ti was a Zotac. Okay.
Yeah, Amp Extreme. It was so big.
1200 watt platinum PSU. That's fine. That'll last them for a while. EVGA makes great power supplies. Windows 10 is running a 27-inch LG 4K monitor, so I guess he's doing 4K gaming on this, which I guess it's possible.
No, not
And
with not with new games.
yeah, well, if you put everything to low, yeah, you can still game. And there it is, the Roswell RDCR 11004 Data Hub drive. Is that the case? That's not the
No, the
case.
case
Where's
is
the
a
case?
Skyline. It's a PYC Skyline. It's
That's it.
awful.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we see a picture of this case in its all its glory? No, we got nothing. We got nothing. All right, let's go back. So that was the build, guys.
Godzilla 1.0. This house looks like my grandparents. Look
Yeah,
at
it
the
does.
the
Yeah,
wood everywhere.
look at the bed. The bed is made.
Oh my God.
Granny's gone wild. Anyway, what's our next build? Do you want to go to another page, or we've got something else to pick apart here?
Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got here.
Lots of flashing lights here. Um, there's some nice builds here too.
Yep, some good builds here.
Actually, everything looks good on this page. I don't think there's much to pick apart here, except for that
Oh,
5800X with a RX 460.
oh yeah, let's go to that one.
Should I go to that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice
Great.
picture. Great picture.
I love oh, is that a floppy drive? That's a floppy drive right there.
No, it's not a floppy drive.
That's a
It's
floppy drive, is it?
it's a SD reader. What are you talking about? It's an SD reader.
It looks like a floppy drive to me.
Oh Jesus.
I might as well. Reusing SSDs, Blu-ray, memory card reader, as well as video
Yeah,
card
see, I
from
told you.
previous build while playing AMD.com roulette
AMD
for a new
roulette.
6800 series. Clearly, this build's been put together, and he's not getting the roulette table's not spinning in his favor.
Nope.
5800X, great processor. Using a Noctua cooling fan.
Yep.
It sucks that the case shuts everything down. So, personally, I wouldn't be building in a case like that, which is the Cooler Master N400 something or rather. I mean, I guess it does the job, but not the nicest case. Maybe more functional. And he's paired that up with what does he got for memory? Actually, hasn't advertised his memory on here.
He's using
Oh yeah,
ECC DIMMs.
V-Color
So
DDR4
he's
32 gigs, 216 gigabyte drives, 3200
yeah.
megahertz.
So he's using ECC DIMMs, which is pretty cool, I guess,
Yeah,
because he does
I don't know what he does.
uh I don't know.
Oh, he uses V-Color for error correction.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, nice. So
No,
this
V-Color is the
is
memory
this is
brand.
business. It's not a gaming build.
Yeah.
I'll give it that.
Well, I think it is a gaming build too, because he's playing Russian roulette.
Hmm.
Anyway, V-Color is the brand for the mem. He's probably doing some sort of productivity.
Yeah.
All right, another build.
Let's go to the next page. Let's
Yeah.
go to page 2. No one goes to page 2, just like you never go to page 2 on Google, but here we go.
What's that guy sitting down?
Where?
What is that? Snake?
Where?
Bedroom
Snake Bedroom
PC?
PC? That's not a bad, well, not a bad build, but oh, you want to go in there?
No, let's go. What's going on?
All right. So, Snake Bedroom PC. This is my first build, and the Corsair 275R is where I'll start. This. Totally should have done more research into what case I was getting because golly, this boy unforgiving to be a newbie self. Wire management and everything was the longest part of my build and it's still a mess. Anywho, moving on. Love the Ryzen 5, total workhorse for my editing and gaming. Carbon AM4 is cool with lots of ports. For case fans, the RAM could be a little faster, feels fast for my pre-built family PC when rendering and playing RAM heavy game SSD. I'm gonna stop reading this.
Yep.
Um,
Show
Here
me
we go.
pictures.
Okay,
Is that a dog?
that's a dog. It's got a.
What kind of socks are those?
I don't
Oh
know.
my
They're
God.
bad. They're bad. There's a water bottle on the floor
And a drill.
and a drill. Yeah.
Okay, there's two
What's
water
that on
bottles.
the
One
wall?
Where? What is
It
that?
looks like a rotten chicken mounted on the wall. What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
Um,
Oh my God.
I don't know what to tell you here. That's an
What is it?
Amazon. That's an Amazon gaming chair.
Yeah.
Generic brand. Doesn't look like he has too much room with his mouse. The mouse layout and the keyboard. Like,
Oh, fuck.
I guess you're sitting in some sort of very awkward position.
His mouse pad looks like a checkbook.
Yes.
I don't know what it is.
No, it's
Instruction
the bill.
pamphlet?
It's the Visa bill for the PC build. Um, PC in
Feels,
general looks fine.
yeah, looks fine.
It
Yeah.
looks pretty clean. You're using the flat cables from the power supply, the generic ones. I would use some custom cables on that. That'll look much better. That's it. That's it for the three pictures.
Yeah,
Uh, yeah, I mean, parts wise,
it's not a bad
Ryzen 5
build.
3600,
Not a
6 core
it's
12 thread,
it's a decent budget gaming
1660
build.
Ti. Yeah,
Yeah.
yep. Love the comments. All right, let's go back. What do we got here?
What is the last one there?
I don't know.
What is that? Click it.
An ITX EXI home lab server. We just
It's what? It's the thermal
now
take half, right?
I
Yeah.
think the router is being showcased more than the PC
That
build here.
PC. Like,
Yeah.
what is going
I don't know.
on?
It's just crammed in there. Like the IKEA shelf is doing its job, but love the comments. Oh
Well,
wow,
this
this
thing
needs some
needs some
airflow.
airflow. Just
I
wow.
guess he's right. The back is open and the temps are fine, but
He's only using it
it's
for
just the
VMs,
CPU.
right?
Yeah.
He's just using it for VMs, so not a big deal.
Anything else here before we go on to page three? Let's go to page three.
Pastry.
All right. Okay. You got some nice builds here, except for well the i9 11900K with a Quadro P2200. Now I don't know if that's one of the older cards or a newer Quadro.
A piece Pascal, isn't it?
Yeah. Should we click on that, or you want to find something else here?
Well, these like the go to the Threadripper with a 3060 Ti. That's kind of weird combo.
Where do you see that? What is it called?
Second column, it's called Kettle.
Kettle. Gatorade 3.5 AMD Threadripper 1950X 16 core processor. Let's take a look. Okay. That's kind of a custom but not custom open loop cooling system you've got there.
Yeah.
That looks nice. That's cooling the whole that's big. That's like
It's
CPU
Threadripper?
VRM. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it's big. That's a big part. Ah, cool. It's got some model cars in there. Good cable management.
Yeah.
And there she blows. What card was that?
It's an MSI Gaming Trio X 3060, I think. Ti.
Let's
Is it
see.
3060 Ti?
3060
Yeah.
Ti, 8 game, 8 gig. Yep. Nice. Nice. He's put in the fact that he's using
What's
Thermal Grizzly.
what are these comments though? Like,
Where are the
what's
comments?
taste? Why do they say taste horrendous? These comments are like ridiculous.
I don't see the comments. Where are the comments? Oh
Look,
yeah, meh,
Noctua,
taste. Yeah.
tasty, taste,
Taste horrendous.
taste horrendous,
Yeah.
Zenith. Okay, OG, scroll
Zenith.
down. Well, it's the Zenith board,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
sped,
Sped. Bird.
stick,
Spin.
bird. No, what's wrong with these
Trap
comments?
house. What?
Burr.
Why do you have three thermal pastes? Eat,
Why
okay?
did you throw ET? What the?
Guys,
What
put
is?
put your PC builds on PC Part Picker at your own risk.
Oh my
If
God.
you think what we're doing is bad, I mean, some of the people commenting are bad.
Okay.
I don't know. Whatever that was. There's some nice stuff on here, but
Next one.
let's go to page 4. Let's take a look. See here. I'm just looking
Scroll
for
up.
odd parts. Nothing odd here except for that 3700X, 7500 i5 with a 4800.
No, I'll leave that. I want to
Yeah.
see the last one. That one there. No, second row, last one on the second row.
Personal PC,
No,
Threadripper.
second row. You're in the
Oh,
third row.
yeah.
Second, last one.
My 2021 VR gaming.
Yes, I want to see
Okay.
this.
Oh, you want to see the billboard?
I want to see the billboard.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay.
Vincenza Coffee.
Yeah,
That's a lot of E's.
that is. He's got some sort of setup here for streaming or YouTubing. Got the dinner plate on the right hand side.
Okay.
Got the lotion in the back there. I just
Where's
missing
the lotion?
yeah, missing. I see it there. Could be hand sanitizer, but it looks like a white liquid there, right behind the RGB controller.
All right, try to switch. Okay, I
Yeah,
see it. I see it. Yes.
I don't see the Kleenex box, which I
Nope.
don't know. That worries me.
Whoa.
um, yeah, I don't like that.
Whoa. Whoa.
You know, that's what happens when you put like micro or mini ITX boards inside full ITX cases. They just look kind of weird. I'm thinking that's the case here. So, uh, yeah, parts wise, you got an R5 2600. That's first generation Ryzen, right?
Second
Second
generation.
generation, yeah.
Well,
And
Ryzen Plus. So I mean,
yeah, it's
first
still
gen
first
Zen one.
gen refresh.
Yeah. Yeah.
What was he running for a video card here?
3060. It's not a bad
Yeah,
card.
yeah. He got himself a recent gen card. Thermaltake
Yeah, it's a
Versa
but.
H17 micro. It is a micro ATX mini case,
It
but
is a,
when you look at this case, it's like just a heap of a lot of room on that side. I think that's to mount SSDs. So it just looks really messy. The cable management's terrible.
no, it's a decent budget PC
Hmm.
with the parts he has. Clean it up a bit. Should be fine.
Yeah,
He's using it for his quest. So.
that's it.
All right. Next.
Okay, go to page 5.
Yeah.
I think maybe we'll do one or two more. We'll see.
Yeah.
Let's see here. What else do we have?
Scroll down.
1080p gamer with a GTX 970. Can't say much on this page.
The ship of Theseus.
Where do you see that?
Let's do that
Oh,
one.
yes, yes,
Second
yes, I
roll.
see that.
The ship of Theseus.
That's a odd combination. 6500 with a 3060 Ti.
When does one build end and another begins?
Well,
This.
it
Go
ends
back.
here.
Go back. Go back to the call. This is awesome.
My current
When
PC, I
does one
kept
build?
replacing parts into the point where it almost doesn't resemble the original PC. Full story. Originally conceived and built in 2016. I didn't expect to keep this for so long. Having kept the same CPU case and power supply, I've made many changes over time. Motherboard, doubled the RAM. He's got a 144 hertz monitor. And obviously the 3060 Ti came in. I spent 8 months on the EVGA Notify queue. Bless your poor soul. And it replaced the GTX 950. So that's a huge, huge, huge upgrade.
Oh yeah, that's a
Massive,
big upgrade.
massive. This is a quad core CPU with. This is a 4-core 4-thread CPU, right? Yeah, i5 6500.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah, yeah,
old. It's
yeah.
Skylake.
Don't buy a
Jeez.
quad core CPU in 2021. 5 years ago was fine, but today it's catching up to me. Definitely
Hey, but
is.
he could if he had. If I guess it's his budget, right? If he had,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, I'm not
Oof.
gonna complain for his cable management.
Yeah.
Depending on his budget, he could easily upgrade the CPU and get some better 3060 Ti performance.
Right, but
So
it's not going to just be a CPU. It'll be CPU and board. So
yeah, and RAM I think too.
yeah.
So or is it DDR4 back then? I don't remember.
It could be both. I think it's DDR4. Some boards were still running DDR3. Monitors on a bookshelf. Yes, sir. That's. What if you need the
Jeez.
book? What
What if you need
happens?
the book?
Do you
Who
fuck it? Do you
uses
screw
books
everything up?
today? Who uses books?
And at least he's got it on a little stand, so it's off the carpet. So I appreciate that. That's good. Yeah,
All right.
definitely.
Wait. I want to see the comments.
Yeah,
Scroll all the way down. These are his reviews of the parts, but
that's it.
let's go to oh
No
no
comments.
comments.
No comments. Well,
Oh,
be the first to make a comment, guys. Check out this build.
yes.
It's called the Ship of
The ship
Theseus.
of Theseus.
Theseus. All right, let's do one more. Let's go to the next
One
page.
more. Next page.
All right, what do we got here? I see some nice stuff here. Look, that AMD 5 2600 with a nice that's a nice build for such old
That's a nice
parts.
build. I don't. Well, maybe he can't find P parts to upgrade.
Yeah,
What else is there?
Vega 64 build with a 5600X. Well, that's decent.
Vega 64. Ugh. Okay, go to Ace's build. That thing looks like there's good maybe some good comedy gold in this one.
No, no
Ah.
comments. Oh, this is a nice. Oh, he's got two
Jesus.
PCs. Oh my God, this is insane. That's a hell of a setup. You see, you know what? You see like a setup like this, and then you see carpet on the floor.
Yeah.
I don't know
No
about that.
carpet. We're not in the 70s.
Yeah.
Get rid of carpet.
He's got the Chips Ahoy and the milk right there, man.
Where?
On the bottom, on that little bottom desk there.
Chips Ahoy. Oh,
Chips Ahoy and
sick.
milk. He's ready for Christmas.
That's right.
Nothing special here. Let's do one more, one little bonus round one on the next page. See if anything cool pops up. Uh, Nothing spectacular here. Someone running a 1050. See, nice build, but no good parts. Oh, FX 8350. Woo. Brutality.
$204. Okay, one more page. Let's try another one.
Page 8. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
Oh yeah, update to date. Let's get that one.
Which one?
First one. First column, last one. First
Update to
column, last
date.
one.
Yes.
This looks like a
What is that? A
champion.
record player?
Oh,
Woo!
what is this? I feel bad.
Is that
Holy jeez.
eSATA on the front of the case?
I
What?
don't know what this is. I really hope the parts inside are not GTX Super Aris Gaming.
Aris Gaming.
What is
80
this?
plus bronze. I don't know what that is.
What are his parts?
I'm
Oh
looking
my
at here.
god. That's a sick Noctua cooler,
Yeah,
but
it's a nice
jeez.
cooler. It's a
Got all
i5
these pieces.
10600K.
Why did you pay $1,000 for a 1660 Super? Oh my god. GPU market these days. Could have bought a 37 Ti for that price.
Yeah.
Even a 3080 if you lucked out. He also bought a non-modular bronze for 50. Like what?
Yeah.
Holy cow. 120 for 256 gig SSD. This is insane.
Yeah, they are. Oof. Unfair.
Oh boy, this is what? It's a 6-core
6-core 12 thread.
10600K.
Overclockable.
Okay.
Yeah. If the board, yeah, it's a Z board, so there's
Yeah.
overclocking there. The cooler probably has a lot of headroom for overclocking.
Yeah. The DH15 is pretty sick.
1660 Super. It's a good card.
$1,000.
Yeah, the price is not good. Now, weren't you able to run some RTX stuff on the 1660 Super and 1660 Ti? There was some way to enable RTX on these
I think
cards,
there
or was it
was.
only on specific games? Or
I think there is a way to do it, but it's like
Mm.
awful.
well, that's the build, guys. I don't know about that front, but anyway,
Oh,
that's what it is when you pick apart a PC part picker build.
there's we're not it's just for jokes. We're
It's
not
just for jokes, guys. I encourage everyone to come on here and take a look at the parts. If you're into PC building, this is a cool site to come to and just check out. Put your own build up and let people have a rip at it. Yeah, it's all in fun and games, and I've put my builds up on here. I think I've got my old one on here, so if you guys are curious about that, I don't know if it'll populate now. It's probably been pushed far behind, cramming high-tech stuff into a Node 202. Yeah, no, PC Part Pickle, PC Part Pickle, PC Part Picker. Yes. Yeah, I think we're gonna be doing these
Isn't that your
videos
build
once in a
right
while.
there?
Which
Isn't
one?
that your build?
Which one?
The
Which
Note
one?
202? Oh, that's not yours. Somebody
No.
else did your build.
I think mine got pushed back now. Everyone, it looks like there's a dildo inside that one.
What the? What is
I
that?
don't know. I don't think.
We'll save it for another day.
This
Save it
is
for another
mine,
day.
by the way. This is my build. So check it out, guys. Come on, check out.
Well, let's see the comments. Let's see the comments. Any new comments in your build?
Nice, love,
Uh,
nice build. Love
uh,
the size of it. How are the temps? That's always been the question about these type of micro builds. So, yeah, a lot of effort went into this build. You can check it out on my YouTube channel, the Node 202 build. Now we're yapping too much. Video is going to be too long.
Yeah,
We're going to be
that's it.
doing this. We're going to be doing this type of video maybe once or twice a month. And
Yep.
if you guys have comments, let us know. If you guys want us to apply a different routine to it, let us know. And that's pretty much it. It's just for fun. It's for shiggles. So
Shiggles,
yeah.
yes.
You have anything else you want to add?
No.
Perfect.
The ship of Theseus. I'm gonna go look up what the Theseus
the
means.
ship
All
of
right.
shiggles. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning
Like
in.
and subscribe.
Like
Yeah.
and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000. Help us out, please. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.